I'm here with my nostalgia, MyMini skillet and noodle cooker, and I'm here with a frozen Jimmy Dean croissant sausage and cheese sandwich. The question is, will it skillet? Counter cooking. No kitchen? No problem. I had to run some early errands today, and I was in the Dollar Tree and I saw that they had these frozen breakfast sandwiches. So I thought I would buy one and see if we could cook it in this nostalgia MyMini skillet and noodle cooker. I've already plugged it in, it's heating up, and this is what the frozen breakfast sandwich looks like. I've actually never had one of these before. So there's some sausage and cheese and the croissant, and I can't move the cheese over. Cheese is not very well centered, but I can't move it over because it's frozen. So originally I was thinking that I would just put it here and put the lid on, but that's not going to work. So now I'm thinking, let's use the pot. The pot's deeper. Let's put it in the pot, and then let's put the lid on. So that'll fit. I just don't know how long I'm going to have to cook this. The packaging gives microwave instructions. It says from frozen, microwave on high, 50 to 55 seconds or until hot. Obviously this is not a microwave, so this is going to cook differently. I'm going to set a 5-minute timer, and let's check in 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes now. Let's check on the sandwich. It definitely looks like it has been defrosting, and it definitely feels like it's still frozen inside. Yeah, that's still really frozen inside. So let's cook it for another 5 minutes. It's been 9 minutes now, and what I just realized is that I probably should have flipped this over instead of just leaving it here like this, because I'm sure the bottom is cooking faster than the top. So it hasn't been a full 10 minutes yet, but let's just check on this anyway. It actually feels like it's soft, but I'm gonna grab something to flip this with. The bottom is nicely browned. So now I'm gonna cook this for another 4 or 5 minutes. It's been another 4 minutes, so let's open this up and let's see what's going on in here. This smells like it's done. I'm going to remove it. Here's the breakfast sandwich. It is nicely browned on the top. Oh, it's really soft. It's really hot. Nicely browned on the bottom. I'm afraid I'm going to burn myself if I try to eat this right now. So I'm going to grab a knife and let's cut this in half so we could take a look at it. The bottom croissant on this side fell apart. And here's the other half. Let's give it a try. It's nice and warm. The croissant is very buttery. And the bottom part is very crispy. I would definitely flip this over sooner so that it spent less time cooking just on like the bottom side, so the heat would be more evenly distributed. So I'd put it in there, and then maybe after 5 minutes flip it over, and then potentially it could even be done just after 5 minutes on each side. But it's pretty good, and in a pinch, if this was all that I had available, it makes a cheap breakfast. It was $1.50 for this croissant sausage and cheese sandwich at the Dollar Tree, and it heated up just fine in this MyMini skillet and noodle cooker. So I think it was a success, and so that's how you could cook one of these Jimmy Dean croissant sausage and cheese breakfast sandwiches in the MyMini skillet and noodle cooker. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see more videos with this mini appliance. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.